Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, standard second semester second book, page number 27. Topic: self help is the best help. Self help is the best help. Arvind was a farmer. Arvind was a farmer. It was late evening. He was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. The cart had a heavy load on it. It had bags of grains. Suddenly, it began to rain heavily. The wheels of the cart got stuck in the soft, wet mud. The cart would not move. Arvind was very upset. He was scared because it was getting dark. He began to wail, "Oh dear, what shall I do? Who will help me? Please, God, come and help me." He shouted many times for help. He shouted many times for help, but he did not make an effort to push the wheels out from the mud. After some time, a stranger came up to him. The stranger said, "Why do you cry? God will not help you if you simply cry and do nothing." The farmer said, "My friend, I do not know what to do." The stranger said, "Come on, let's push the wheel." The farmer agreed. The farmer agreed. They began to push. Soon the cart wheels came out from the wet mud. Arvind was very happy. He thanked the stranger. He said, "I will always remember your good advice." Self-help is the best help means what, children? Self-help is the best help means one must make an effort. We must always solve our own problems. We should not sit with our problem. Array, today this happened. Now suppose you want to bring one water, full water pot. It's little far away. And if you want to go and bring that one, you have become lazy. You don't want to go and bring that one. You don't want to solve your problem. You will sit there only. Where we will go there and bring the water, this and that. You will be thinking yourself, "Oh God, the water is so far. How can I bring it?" No. You have to think, "Array, now I will go. Not a big pot, but small pot. I will go near to the water and I will bring it from the tap." This way, you should solve your own problem. Self-help is the best help. Don't sit there and think. We have to solve our own problem. We have to solve our own problem. That is, self-help is the best help. So, I will give you the difficult words. You just mark down. Okay? Arvind, the spelling of Arvind. Then take down the spelling of farmer. L-A-T-E, late. Evening. Evening. He was returning from the market bullock cart. The cart had a heavy cart spelling, take down C-A-R-T, cart, heavy load. It had bags of grains, bags, grain spelling, take down. Suddenly it began rain. Heavily given, no? Word of heavily. Heavy loads on it. Heavy is spelling given. Heavenly. To rain heavily. Take down the spelling of heavily. The wheels stuck in the soft, wet mud. Cart would not move. Arvind was very upset. Spelling of upset. scared because getting dark. He began to wail, "Oh dear, what shall I do? Who will help me? Please, God, come and help me." He shouted, spelling of shouted, then many times, TIMS times, but he did not make an effort, spelling push. After some time, stranger, sometime stranger. The stranger said, "Why do you cry? God, spelling of God, simply nothing, friend, spelling of friend, push, will, agreed, Arvind was happy, thanked. He said, "I will always remember your good advice." Remember advice. Yes, I have given you all these words, no? You have to write for 5 times. Now, I will tell you this lesson. I will explain you the lesson. So, Arvind was a farmer. Yes, children, Arvind, self-help is the best help. The lesson is self-help is the best help. Arvind was a farmer. Who was Arvind? Arvind was a farmer. It was late evening. Arvind was a farmer. It was late in the evening. He was returning home from the market in his bullock cart. What he was doing, children? He was a farmer. And it was late in the night. In the evening, he want to reach home, no? It was late evening. It was little late. He was returning home from the market. In his bullock cart. He was going home in the evening. So what happened? The cart had a heavy load on it. It had bags of grains, and the bullock cart was full of grains. Grains, you know? Grains means what? Rice, then again full of grains. ग्रेन्स यानी जिसको हम कड़दाने बोलते हैं, ग्रेन्स. इट मे बी योर राइस, इट मे बी योर दाल. Okay, these are grains, food grains. It has bags of grains. Grains were there. So suddenly it began to rain heavily. So what happened? It started raining, children. So bad, no? See, if it get all wet, means all this bags of grains will be all wet, no? Then there will be lot of loss for him. So it started raining. The cart had a heavy load on it. It was too much load. The cart had a heavy load. It was very load. It has bags of grains, so it was load. And suddenly it began to rain heavily. The wheels of the cart got stuck in the soft, wet mud. The cart would not move. And the wheels got stuck in the mud. It went into the mud. Mud was very soft. When it start raining, now if you also go in the mud, what will happen? All mud will stuck to your leg. If you go with the shoes or with your chappals also, all mud will stick. Yes or no? Same way, it was stuck. He was unable to remove the wheels of the bullock cart. So Arvind was very upset. He was very upset. Who was upset? Arvind. Yes. He was scared because it was getting dark. And he was getting scared also. Scared means afraid. Because it was getting dark. It was getting dark. It was evening time, no? Anyhow, he wanted to reach home early. So, what he did, Arvind was very upset. It was scared because it was getting dark. He began to wail. He began to wail. He was standing there only. He was not pushing the bullock cart. Started shouting, crying. Wail means, he began to wail means cry. He was crying. Oh dear, what shall I do? Who will help me? Please God, come and help me. He's shouting and shouting, but he's not doing that. I should go, I should do something. I should do something myself. I should pull the bullock cart slowly at least. I should do something. He was not doing anything. And he just shouting and he's praying to God. Instead of praying to God, he should do something, no? To escape from the mud, he was not doing anything. He shouted many times for help. He shouted many times for help. But he did not make an effort to push the wheels out from the mud. But he didn't do anything. He was not doing anything. He was just shouting. After some time, a stranger came up to him. A stranger came up to him. And what happened, do you know? The stranger said, "Why do you cry? God will not help you if you simply cry and do nothing. If you only just sit and cry, God will not help you until you do something. You have to do something. If you sit like that idle and start crying, God come and help me, how it is possible? You should do something, na?" The stranger said, "Come on, let us push the wheel." The farmer agreed. Yes, the farmer agreed to do something, to push the wheel. They began to push. Soon the cart wheels came out from the wet mud. You can see the picture now. Can you see the picture? See, both of them, they are lifting the wheel to push front. See, this is the bullock cart and this is the bullocks. This is bullock cart. bullock cart यानी जो बैल चलाते हैं और उसको खींच कर लेकर जाते हैं, दैट इज बुलक कार्ट. Bullock cart over, no? Then, so they began to push. Soon the cart wheels came out of the wet mud. It came out. Arvind was very happy. He thanked the stranger. He said, "I will always remember your good advice." Yes. And what was the advice? What was the advice given by the stranger to Arvind? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? The advice that was that why you are calling God, simply crying and doing nothing. You at least try to do something. The farmer, he's saying no, what to do when it is stuck, the bullock cart is stuck in the mud. I am not able to do anything. Now that fellow is saying, the stranger is saying, instead of calling to God, you do something. Don't sit idle. He want to say, you don't sit idle and think. Don't call God. You try to do yourself. You try to make an effort to solve your own problems. You try to solve your own problems. So, remember children, always what you should do, you should always don't sit idle. Whatever, in the exam time also, whether you know the answer or you do not know, but try to write whatever you know. Whatever you know. So, you read self-help is the best help. Self-help is the best help. Read the lesson carefully. Have you understood the lesson? Read the lesson carefully and write all the words for 5 times. How many times? 5 times. Read the lesson. Self-help is the best help. And also write the words for 5 times. This is a very short and fine story. Self-help is the best help. Okay. Self-help is the best help means one must make an effort to solve their own problems. Self-help is the best help. Okay children, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.